The eyes that keenly observe can unveil secrets that are hidden in plain sight. Very often, analysts want to see how tasks are performed firsthand and how processes unfold in real time so as to understand the nuances of workflow and identify areas for improvement. Observation is a technique focused on purposeful watching, listening, and recording activities within a specific context. The primary application of this technique is to understand the flow and sequence of activities in the current process, especially when the stakeholders find it challenging to articulate their tasks or requirements accurately. To establish an effective observation environment, it is essential to initially put stakeholders at ease and communicate the intent behind the observation. Analysts are presented with two options: passive observation, involving the capture of work routines with clarifying questions at the end, or active engagement, where ongoing interactions with business partners allow the concurrent capture of why and how tasks are performed. Noting non-verbal cues such as pauses, facial expressions, and other reactions adds a layer of richness to the gathered information. These cues can provide insight into emotions, challenges, or points of friction in the workflow. However, it's crucial to confirm these observations through follow-up discussions. Requesting to perform the stakeholders' work under their supervision is a powerful extension of the observation technique. This hands-on approach not only deepens the analyst's understanding, but also provides a unique perspective on the challenges and intricacies of the work, which can also foster a stronger connection with stakeholders. My recommendation is to consider using the observation technique to enhance the accuracy of information, to facilitate process improvement, and to gain insights that may be challenging to capture through other methods. Please hit the subscribe button below for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next nugget.